Buddy Brian back here with a look at Turbo. Alright, nothing is invalidated here from what we're looking at. Alright, looks like a mess right here, don't it? Let's clean this up a minute. Okay, let's get some of this stuff off here. I put this out in Discord. I'm gonna show you guys something here. I got Bitcoin pulling back. It could pull down there pretty decently. Alright, there's no doubt about that. Let's take a look at that BTC chart. And 80, I think it was 88 or 83. Let's see here. Let's pull it up real quick. Please hit that like and subscribe too. I'd appreciate that very much, guys. Right here in the 12-hour, 87 comes in. All right, if we get this fifth wave down here, it comes in right around a really good support area. 87.4, right around there. Okay, you have a massive support zone, especially on a daily, right through here, right in this area here. If this does this fifth wave down, which it looks like it's going to, unless it holds here, right? This what is it? See, each chart's different. This one is 92.8. What's this one? It's pretty close to about the same. Where's the one that I just... Here we go. This one here. Alright, right at 92.9, 92.8. You want to see that hold, alright? 92.861. You don't want to see it going lower than that. You see this support it's grabbing here? It's a major support zone, major support line, right? Look at this thing. You got to touch, 4 touches, right? If you lose that, 88, right around 88,000 bucks. Looks like next area down. That's another major area of interest here. That would be a fifth wave measurement off that. 1618, 87.9, something like that. 87.9, 88,000 bucks. Come right in there, right? So that could possibly happen for sure. Just keep an eye on that. You got Bitcoin dominance making a final run up here. It's going to be doing it's working on its fifth wave. It ABC'd in here. Now it's working on its fifth wave up, right? Once this double tops up here, 61.7, right around there. That should be a double top, roll over, Altseason, okay? Still coming, guys. A little bit of a shakeout. That's all this is. Please hit that like and subscribe. Come over and join us at that level 3 membership, guys. I'm telling you, you want to be here for the start of this Altseason. The $15, you'll trust me, believe me. We got some of the best traders around over there for sure. We got some really good traders in there. We're going to be nailing this Altseason. And you talk about big gains. Just wait, right? The key is spotting your trends, guys. No question about it. You want to be able to spot changes in trends, like over here. I just put this in another video, my Casper video. I love how I explained it in there. It felt good how I explained it. All right, you got this high, with this low. You got a lower high here, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. All right, the whole time down here, you're moving your alarm down on top of each one. All right, still got not a higher high yet. The higher low here, you got a higher high. All right here, your alarm goes off. Okay, right there. Change of trend. What you do, and you'll learn this if you get the level 3 membership. All right, this alone would pay you back 1,000,000 times over. All right, you take your Fibonacci. You're looking for a golden pocket, the 618-702. There's your entry. See you later. Gone. I can show you this on 1,000,000 charts. All right, your change of trend came in, right? You had this high, a lower low, still had a lower high, a higher low. This was your change. Your alarm goes off because you have your high, your alarm, you keep moving it down on top of each high. Your alarm is here. Your alarm goes off. You see this higher high. You put your Fibonacci on there. You look for your golden pocket entry, and it's gone, dude. I mean, the money you would have made off this, if you were leverage trading that move, probably hear the rain. I apologize in the background, but right from the your entry to the top, that's a 100% move. All right, on a 10x, if you had $1,000 and you'd have 10 grand. If you had a 20x, you'd have $20,000 just in one move. All right, this is what we are looking for over in Discord for this alt season. We're going to absolutely smash it, guys. $15 is, by the time the money you would make off this alt season, you'd throw $15 on the ground. I mean, that's nothing. You know, like I said, by the time I get anything out of it, I get like $7. By the time they take taxes out, YouTube takes its money. I don't like get rich off it at all. That's for sure. But I enjoy the being in there with everybody. You know, all of us in there posting trades. All of us posting ideas. Man, we got some really good traders in there. I'm telling you, guys that have been there for months and months and months. You know, try it. Spend the $15, man. Just watch the videos. Learn this stuff. It'll change your life. You know, it's literally. I'm going to a job every day to trading. You know, you had a change of trend here. You know, you had this downtrend. If you zoom in on here, you can do your higher highs and higher lows right in here on the 1 hour. You know, right here. Okay, you had this high, you had this low, you had a lower high, a lower low. Boom, your alarm goes off, you have a higher high. Get your Fibonacci out. Doop, golden pocket, 618. You want your entry, there it is, gone. All right, it happens over and over and over. You can, you know, and you guys in Discord, you know, I mean, you guys know this stuff. It's how you make money. It's how you make money trading. You know, it's all you got to trade. You don't got to, you know, there's other great ways out there. Supply and demand is awesome. Fair value gaps, I'm always looking at fair value gaps. Look at these, you know, fair value gaps in the market. Watching, here's one down here, it needs to be filled yet. It's going to get filled when this turbo comes down here. It's going to fill this one. All right, it's filled the one that was over here, this big massive fair value gap. You always watch for them, right? You get a fair value gap, price shoots up, you wait for it to come back, fill them fair value gaps, and right, normally when it does, let me show you something, right? Yeah, you're watching this, you haven't entered down there in the 618, you're trading supply and demand, right? This shoots up, you have this fair value gap here. It comes back, fills the fair value gap, fills it, gone. All right, that's what we're looking for here at a turbo, and it's working out perfectly. All right, I know the market's coming down, pulling down. That's all right. You know, we still have some room here. All right, still looking for a 5-wave move here out of this thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5. We're still looking for that, right? We have a turbo here. And nothing has changed. We have a higher high, higher low, higher high. We're going to have a higher low come in here. You know, and we'll be watching for this thing to come down right on top here, on top of one more than likely. You have to take your Fibonacci from here. You know, it's getting down in those zones. 702. It's going to be right down in this box area is where you're going to want to look for this, right? This thing, and a lot of times a 1-2, sometimes you only get a 50% retracement on a wave 2 back. You know, if it's showing a lot of strength. Here you got lucky, you got a 618 just barely, but your closing candles are on a 50%. That's a 2-wave. Closing on a 50%, all right? Sometimes this first push it'll take off on the 0.5. You won't get that 618. You know, on a strong push, these closed. You got one wick down here to that 618. That's it. You know, if you were late, you put your fib on, you missed it, gone. You know, but here's your second chance, right? This isn't financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, guys. Just common stuff here. You'll learn it, get the videos, watch them, and get ready to make a shitload of money. That's, you know, it's just the way this alt season is going to go. It only happens every 4 years, so be prepared. You know, look at the charts, set your alarms. Just like I said, you know, if you have an alarm on this, let me show you. Add alert. You right click, create. Right, there's the alarm on top of there. All right, on this high. Next one, you move it down. That was the high. Okay, you move it down again. You had a lower high, right? Nothing, still no alarm going off, right? Then you had a lower high here, all right? Uh-oh, ding, 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 your alarm goes off. Watch it for a run up, watch for the pullback. You want to wait for the pull down, all right? It's going to be a decent pull down, okay? Put your fib on there and watch for it. Go from your bottom. When it ends up stopping up top here, and you'll know it, we got a big red candle, right? Just keep following it up. As price goes up, you know, you got your higher high, so you're moving your fib up, moving it up, moving it up, moving it up, moving it up. No pullbacks yet, right? That gets to the top there, you think, oh, there's my pullback. Look at that big red candle. And this is on a 12-hour chart. It's going on a 4. Right? On a 4, you have plenty of time here, right? Pulled down. You got 4, 8, 12. It messed around down here for a whole day before it really started. Maybe 2 days before it really started ripping out of here. But that was your, you know, that's your money maker. You had a wick down here to 786. Remember, put your stop loss down low. Don't become liquidity. That's what that is. That's a stop hunt right there. That's the market makers taking out people that put their stop losses too tight. Grabbing money, gone. See you later. All right. That's how. Here they didn't do a liquidity grab. This one was a plain, you know, got one wick down here and gone. Right, go watch for them liquidity hunts. Okay, sometimes when if this pulls back here, this pulls down here, you're expecting, you know, just an immediate, you know, hit and out of here. You're right, but you're going to get those wicks, you know, that are going to come down. You know, you're going to have price come down here, mess around, maybe a quick wick, gone. Take out them stops, grab some money, and they go. All right, that's just how these work out. But out on the 12 is where our closing candles are at for the top of this wave one. I know I'm gonna have people out there saying, "Oh, it violated the top of wave one." No, out on the closing candles on the higher time frames, we're still good. This thing is still 100% valid. All right, see your closing candles right on top here. Got wicks up out of there, but watch for it to come down towards this box. That's where I'll be looking to enter this fixed wave right in this box anywhere. Put a price label on here. Anywhere from there, you know, to the top of this box, anywhere in this zone right here. I'll be looking for it to stop and then head back up. Okay, target to the upside. If it all works out, then it doesn't go crashing down through. It'd be the first time a trade fell apart. It happens, all right? Be looking for a target. You know, if all goes well and it heads up. Can do, get this over here. There we go. I can do this range up here. Up into here somewhere. Towards there. All right, so that's a pretty decent move. That, you know, I'll be on leverage, so that's a 50% move. That's that's either 5 or 10x of my money. Right, that's the difference leverage makes. Right, on a spot trade, on $1,000, you'd be looking at making 500. On $1,000 on leverage, you're looking at making $5,000 to $10,000. Makes a big difference. All right, thanks a lot, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Hit that like and subscribe. Come over and join us. Level 3 membership. It's only 15 bucks. You know, don't be cheap. Spend it. Come on over with us. Have a great day, everybody.